Introducing the 3-part options course with Hans Albrecht. Get access for free by scanning this QR code or clicking on the link in the description.
Hey guys, welcome back to another Chase review video. So let's go through this week's trade. I posted AMD on Tuesday afternoon, and the reason for that is you can see here, if I go to the 4-hour chart of AMD, you'll be able to see that we were at this 96 level. Why did I have that marked? If I zoom out, you'll be able to see that this is the previous level of support that we used to lift off. So we did come back down into that support. So that's the reason. You can see here, I took a trade here and we ended up pushing into that 103 level. I'm still long this because I believe that even if we are a little more weak to the downside, let's say we try to break this low, we'll recover very fast and push up. I think this downtrend should be about over, right? At minimum, we should have an oversold bounce into 120, even if it continues to be trend bearish. That's the reason I have AMD calls on here. I also took Tesla on Tuesday, but as you can see here, we did bounce, but hardly a bounce. We stayed sideways. And you can see here that we immediately sold off. So I am still, you'll be asking me, the trend line is broken. Why you're trying to trade this? I just think that you can see here, this is a previous level of resistance. Generally, when it tries to break out, you try to bounce off this resistance. So trying to attempt a bottom reversal, I do think that kind of oversold. We've come down almost 30% in the span of like 10, 12, 13 days. So that's the reason I think that we could have an oversold bounce, at the very least to 300. So I would consider trying to maybe average down on this, gain a more potential advanced gain on this heading into 300. I am looking to buy the dip again this morning. So early, I am looking for it to break out. I did try to time a trend line bounce on here, but I got stopped out on that trade. So let's see if this one works on Tesla, right? Bigger picture though, the market, I do want to warn you to be cautious when you're trying to time the dip, because if I go to the weekly chart, you'll be able to see that the support level we broke down this week. So we could continue selling off at least into 5,600 if no support is, if you don't see any pickup in volume or call buying. So yeah, be careful. Don't blindly follow the trades. You got to be aware of all the risks. So yeah, I just wanted to do a brief review. Thank you so much.
Join Chase to trade with Rithika and other experts. Subscribe to LaDuc Trading YouTube channel for more Wolf's weekly wave list videos and other content.